How to delete a playlist in YouTube Mobile. If you're using YouTube on your iPhone or Android and want to delete a playlist, here's what to do. First, open the YouTube app. Then, tap the U button at the bottom right corner of the screen. On your profile page, scroll down until you see Playlists. Tap the View All button to see your full list of playlists. Now, if you want to delete a playlist you created, like this golfing one, just tap on the playlist. Then hit the three dots in the top right corner. Choose Delete Playlist, then confirm by tapping Delete. However, you'll notice that some playlists, like Watch Later, don't offer a delete option. That's because YouTube automatically creates these playlists. You can't delete them directly, but you can remove all the videos inside. To do that, go into the Watch Later playlist, tap the three dots next to each video, and select Remove from Watch Later. You can also choose to remove watched videos in bulk. Once there are no more videos left in the playlist, it may disappear after refreshing the app or restarting it. Also, keep in mind that these playlists, whether created by you or auto-generated, are set to private by default, so only you can see them. I hope this helps. If it did, consider subscribing my channel. It really supports me. Thanks for watching.